Performing our air brake test. First, the seat belt. It is not cut or frayed. It is securely mounted to the floor. It latches and unlatches properly. This is my ABS light. It has come on, indicating that this truck is equipped with anti-lock brakes. And it has went back off, indicating that the anti-lock brake system is working properly. We'll now perform a safe start. This is my primary air gauge. I'll be using this air gauge for all of my air brake tests. I'm going to perform my governor cutout test first. My governor shall cut out at 140 psi max. My needle has stopped moving at 135 psi, indicating my governor has cut out. This is a good test. I will now perform my governor cut in. My governor should cut in at no less than 100 psi. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1001, 1002. My needle has started rising at 110 psi, indicating my governor has cut in. This is a good test. I will now perform my applied pressure test. For this test, I need full tanks of air. My needle has stopped moving, stopped rising at 135, indicating I have full tanks of air. I'll now stabilize my vehicle. By putting it in the forward low gear, turning the vehicle off, releasing the clutch, putting both feet on the floor, turning the key one click back to the right. For this, I will be using the second hand on my cell phone. I should lose no more than 4 psi in 1 minute. I'm stabilizing my vehicle by pushing both valves in. Once the air pressure has stopped, the needle is stopped at 115. We'll apply pressure to the service brake. My needle has stabilized at 110 psi. My time starts now. More than 1 minute has passed. I have lost 3 psi. This is a good test. I'm now going to perform my low air warning system. My audible alarm and visual light both should come on between 55 and 75 psi. I'll now start that test. 1002. 1001, 1002. 1001, 1002. Both audible alarm and visual light has come on at 70 psi. This is a good test. I'll now perform my tractor protection valve test. Both valves should engage in between 20 and 45 psi. I will now start that test. Both the valves engaged at 26 psi. This is a good test. I'll now perform my tug test. For this, I need full tanks of air. I'm going to perform a safe start. The needle has stopped rising at 135 psi, indicating I have full tanks of air. I'm now going to perform my tug test. First test I will perform is my trailer brake test. Trailer brakes held. This is a good test. I will now perform my parking brake test. Parking brakes held. This is a good test. I will now perform my service brake test. Truck did not pull right or left. Service brakes held. This is a good test. That concludes my air brake test. Any questions?